Hello, my name is Karina Finke, and this is my video about my internship in the company Bearskins Custom Ink. And I will tell you a little bit about my experience, what I have learned. The main experience that I got, we were working in WordPress, and I had some introduction to this program, especially for building websites in this program, and I was learning a lot about it and learning new plugins, because we used first one plugin, then another plugin, so how to use with those plugins, how to create the website, and then we're still working on the website creation, so I'll just show you a little bit what we did and a little bit of our process. So that's so far how the homepage looks, but it might change still. So I was involved in creating the homepage as well. Also the podcast page and some other pages. So we're doing organization, like changing colors, fonts, adding some animations and transitions, etc. But at the beginning, of course, I had started with creating a logo. That was a lot of work. That's sometimes when clients still have a lot of ideas how to change it, so web designers have to work a lot to satisfy their clients. So we did a lot of work. So first it was paper sketches, digital sketches, and then a lot of logo variations for a couple of weeks. So that's some of the sketches I did, and some digital beginning variations, then some logo variations. That was much more than those. Also, was doing another logo for another company, but that was just like for a short time, just a couple variations, and also was making a t-shirt design. So there was also some of the variations for those things. And the main process that we're doing, it's the website creation, so it takes the most of the time. So it's sometimes some aside projects that I do, but mainly we're creating the website. So all of the different pages supposed to be created, and I was working also on the footer and on other pages and creating different variations of different pages, how it may look, trying different fonts, different color schemes. And during the process, also the clients deciding to change color schemes from one to another, or fonts from one to another. But that's the life of web designer. So you just have to keep going and creating what your clients want, to make them happy. And also doing a lot of gallery organization, working with the pictures, changing sizes, changing names, to make website load faster, because if the pictures are too heavy, then it's gonna stop loading process. And to make the website more functional, that people that use in this website are gonna have a lot of good experience with it, that it's gonna load fast, look nice. Also was creating some style guide, site plan, etc., and so many other things. And I really like working in this company, and it's pretty sad that my internship is almost over, but I hope that my future experience in other fields gonna be as good or even better. So thanks for watching, and that was my presentation. Have a good day. Goodbye.